So part 2 of this series, now I am showing you guys me actually flying from California to Tulsa. And I'm looking at various properties in Tulsa. So what I did here, I had looked at almost like dozens of properties online, and I selected about 4 to 5 properties to actually go take a look at. And with these 4 to 5 properties, I wanted to really be on site, look at them, but I also ended up staying in Tulsa for 3 whole days at a hotel to kind of get a feel of that area, to see if 1, was I going to enjoy living in that area, and 2, does it make sense for my business? What eventually did happen is that my time there completely shifted the dynamic. So let's go ahead and look at part 2 of me actually driving through northeast Oklahoma in the Grand Lake area, looking at properties. You guys, so let me quickly talk a little bit about my real estate journey. So I am currently in the process of looking for a farm in Oklahoma. Yes, I am. And it's an interesting journey so far. On my way to Oklahoma to potentially buy a farm. I am taking the bus because this is the first time I'm traveling outside of work. And look at that long line. So I'm glad I purchased my ticket online. So because that line is longer than I thought. But yes, so on my way to LAX, so that we can head over to OK. This is just the cutest airport. Tulsa Airport. That's a little mama and baby plane. Super cute. It's very clean. It's cute. I do have to say, I'm seeing quite a lot of some trailer parks around here, and you get the feels of almost going up in the mountains with the winding roads. Yeah, so there's a lot more trailer parks around here. I guess maybe that could explain why a marijuana grow would be around here. I just entered State Highway 82. And this is about 15 minutes away from the potential farm. We are approaching the lake. I have to say Spavino Creek. So there's the creek. I was scared there for a little bit because it got a little too unwindy and high elevation for me. And I'm a chicken. I can't do all of that mountain view, high elevation, winding roads crap. But you really do get that feel and that vibe here that you are in, you know, so that's the Spavino State Park. So a few more unwinding roads before we get to where we want to go. Okay. Oh, wow. Interesting. All right. It's not bad at all. Now I'm intrigued to actually go see it. That's a lot of land. You could plant a whole full orchard here. Absolutely could. That's the entrance. And it has these two cute little structures. That probably I would have put a little spa over there, and I would have put a little apartment right there. Oh, looks like, and it makes sense, right? So I was thinking having livestock somewhere back there. I'm thinking if I was to get this, look at that. It's already framed. That could be the bathroom. That could be the bathroom right there. This could be where the bed, the sleeping area is gonna be. That loft seems a little too tight to be an actual loft, but I can definitely see transforming this into a studio. Sitting area. I would even keep that so that you can make it an indoor living area, right? That would be cute. You can make this like a nice little sitting patio here. Yeah, there are little ducks in the pond. It's very cute, and that I like. You know, as a little, I'm wondering what they're using that for. It's a nice little structure because I would probably put the animals here. So we got it.
I'm gonna put these keys back on.
Man, they make these houses look so much bigger. Oh gosh, she's cute. Okay, I do have to say though, wow, this is a cute little miniature. Like this to me, it's perfect for what I'm trying to do. To me, this is really cute. I could start off exactly the way it is, just decorate it real nice. This is a nice little property. I did not expect to have all of, but this is not, is this zone agricultural?
It is.
Okay, wow. It has a lot, it's checking a lot of my boxes. We are coming up on house number 2. So here is house number 2. This one is only on 16 acres. Yeah, so it's right there. There's a beautiful pond right there. And it looks like they did a lot of work to update the property. But is it worth $400,000? I'm sorry. I cannot say that. So that's where they would lose me, unfortunately. But they did a lot of work to update this property for sure. A bang up job renovating this house. I even like this little swing here. I was about to say, is your luck continuing? Uh-oh, look at that. On the floor. Yeah, no. If they had a little bit more, this would be such a great property. I wonder if it was an Airbnb too. The rooms are small, but oh wow, I like that. You see, I think, yeah, it's like I wish they had a little bit more. Like even if they had kind of what they had over there, the shop, and right, that could be extra things that I could build on. But here, so the house for sale is up this road. It feels very remote and rural. Let's keep driving. This is the town of Claremore, and I'm driving up north. So for being a town of about 10,000 people, it does have quite a lot of infrastructure. I don't feel like I would be lacking in the basics that I need, right? From there's an Ace Hardware, there are mechanics, there are restaurants, there's a hospital, there are banks. So all of the basics that I would need to live comfortably are all here. So I can already tell you this place is not going to be for me, but you know, you still take the time to, I'm still gonna go through and take a look at it, but it's definitely not for me. I am about 1.5 miles away from property number 3. I don't know what to expect from property number 3. Property number 2 turned out to be a dud, and I had ruled it out because I thought it was going to be a dud, but I added it back in just because I thought that maybe the house, being such a nice house, was going to add a little bit of interest, but no, it had nothing going for it. So now we are heading on to property number 3. We have made it to house number 3. I do have to say the lot is not bad. Okay. I don't recall if this property had any extras that I'd look for. Okay, I see. Now I remember it didn't have a lot, but the lot is okay. What we like here is all of the bones. Il y a 2 maisons. Maman, il y a 2 maisons. Hey, yo. Yeah. Okay, so here is the lake house. There's a beautiful patio view. Oh, forgot. Yeah, ça sont peut-être une missionnaire qui est allée. Okay. It's actually not bad at all. But, and what I like about it too, a lot of the unique little features. It's not a cookie cutter home. And then over here, you have this. This is not bad. You put the huge bunk bed up here. It's a lake house, so everything feels kind of miniature. I do have to say this though, even for just having, because what I was telling my mom is, you have less acreage, but you can command more per tent because you're close to the lake. Yeah. Because if what we're seeing right now is all the 8 acres, no, this is not an 8-acre home. This is more like, you know. So here is the master. I don't think the house is bad at all. Here's the master, here's the bathroom. And here is the door that leads to the painting. And you're good to go. The closet is not bad. No. Oh my gosh, yes.
That was you.
So,
Look at me now.
I know.
If you ever want to.
This is exactly what I want. Vous me faites peur, vous là, vous n'avez même pas peur. Am I buying land in Oklahoma? Oh my God. Look at what I'm surrounded by. Look at this. So, stick around and find out. So right there, I'm thinking when you come in through there, we'll build a parking spot right there. That place sounds a little bit loud, but when you go further down, it quiets down a little bit. We're right on the road, so there's no kind of avoiding the noise. So thank you guys for watching part 2 of this, where I'm actually driving through the properties as I originally had the vision in Grand Lake. But as you guys can see in part 3, everything is changed, but it's changed for the better.